Hi, good morning. I'm Glenmark Arancon. I will be discussing the sailing directions. Sailing directions are publications that provide vital information for mariners navigating specific regions. They contain details on port approaches, navigation hazards, and other relevant data to ensure safe and efficient passage. So, ang pasabot sa sailing directions is ang sailing directions kay mga publikasyon nga naghatag og importante nga impormasyon para sa mga marino nga nagbiyahe sa piho nga mga rehiyon. Naglakip kini og detalye sa pagsulod sa pantalan, mga peligro sa pagnavigate ug uban pang datos aron masiguro ang luwas ug epektibong paglayag. The significance of sailing direction and navigation includes: first, safe passage planning. They provide critical information on navigation, channels, hazard, and port facilities, enabling mariners to plan safe and efficient routes. Second is awareness of local conditions. Sailing directions offer insights into local weather patterns, sea conditions, and other environmental factors that could impact navigation. Significance in port approaches. In relation to port approaches, sailing directions are crucial for detailed port information. They provide detailed description of port layouts, including berthing facilities, anchorage, and navigation aids. Hazard and precautions. The publications highlight potential hazards such as shallow waters, wrecks, or restricted areas, allowing mariners to take necessary precautions. The purpose of sailing direction and navigation is to provide mariners with essential information to ensure safe and efficient passage. This includes: first is port approaches, details on navigating into and out of ports. Second is navigation hazards, information on obstacles, shallow waters, and other hazards. Third is local conditions, insights into weather, sea state, and other environmental factors. Fourth is navigational aids, details on lighthouses, buoys, and other aids to navigation. By providing this critical information, sailing directions help mariners to plan safe routes, avoid hazards, navigate efficiently, ensure the safety of vessels, crew, and cargo. All in all, sailing directions are indispensable tools for mariners, providing essential information for safe navigation and efficient port approaches. Their significance lies in their ability to guide sailors through complex maritime environments, ensuring the safety of vessels, crews, and cargo. That's all. Thank you.